was going to comment on your comment around your smirk when you hear the word hyperautomation. So the reality is we're rolling out RPA and we can't manage that. So our solution is going to be to integrate 2 or 3 additional technologies, none of which we have the capacity to manage, all together to deliver a business process. Call that hyperautomation. So we're not going to know if it's, the front end data, ETL, something like Alteryx that broke, whether it was UI bot that broke, whether it was, next application that feeds. We're going to have no idea. And the second piece that's actually amazing to think about is kind of that abyss, if you will, the gap between business and IT. So IT is running the apps, IT is running the infrastructure, the business generally is running the automation program. They speak different languages, they use different data, and so there's almost no way for them to communicate. And so understanding that, having spent many years in IT support, it became clear to me that not only do we need bots, fixed bots, but we need a technology that is simple, that businesses can embrace, because that's who's running the automation program.
Right. Yeah, it's going to come down, and we talk about history repeating itself, and we think what happened in RPA, where the RPA developer turned into the RPA bot maintainer and supporter and all that sort of stuff. And what happened is you just lost your capacity to build your next bot. I would think that this is going to be a multiplier on that same problem, right? As we go into hyper automation, or whatever you like to call it, intelligent automation, where we're starting to add additional technologies. Now you're talking about unicorns that are building this stuff from a business perspective. And I certainly don't want to have them bogged down and having to do, those mundane maintenance and enhancements. I want them building my next one.
Well, that's exactly right. And again, history repeating itself. If we think about the application space, traditional business application space, application maintenance outsourcing became a real huge business, right? Frank, you saw that in the Outsourcing Institute. And why did it become such a big business? Because organizations that had developers developing new applications, they got bogged down maintaining the applications that they already built. And the only way to break loose and stay competitive, right? It's about the competitiveness of a business, was to take the maintenance efforts out and outsource them.